What's up, everybody? Sports Card Center coming at you with another box break video. Once again, today we got another Tier 1 baseball. I'm trying to build my baseball collection, so the football season's over. Got enough 2011 products for football. I'm not going to do any, probably, unless I do a triple threads, or the only products I'll be doing if I do another one before the end of the year is a triple threads or a certified if I decide to do football. I'm not in the mood. In the football mood. Right, come on. Didn't have much luck with the last box. Let's get some luck. Let's get the luck on. Doesn't look like a redemption. Sometimes you want that redemption, sometimes you don't. All normal cards. Got a Miguel Cabrera, $1.99. Albert Pujols, $7.99. Mark Teixeira, $7.99. Tom Seaver, $7.99. Our first hit is a Dustin Ackley, $3.99. Auto. So, yes, a Yankee. Cool. Eduardo Nunez, all right, $9.99. And our patch. Oh, here we go. Nice. Albert Pujols jersey. All right. It's not a bad box. Albert Pujols jersey. PC card for me. Can't complain. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.